The Android tablet market is getting more crowded, and Xiaomi presents the Xiaomi Pad 7 as one of the options for its fans. For those of you who are curious about the improvements offered from the previous generation, this video will discuss them in detail. So, before deciding whether it's worth upgrading or not, make sure you check out the following complete review of the Xiaomi Pad 7. The Xiaomi Pad 7 features an elegant design that feels luxurious from the moment you pick it up. Its aluminum body makes it look sturdy yet lightweight, as it is only 6.2 millimeters thick and weighs around 500 grams. Its premium look is reminiscent of the iPad Pro, but at a much more affordable price. In Indonesia, this tablet comes in 3 attractive colors: graphite gray, sage green, and mirage purple, which are suitable for users with a modern style. The back is equipped with a 13MP camera with LED flash, while the sides have 3 microphones and 4 stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos certification. In addition, there is also a 3-point magnetic pin to connect the official keyboard case without the hassle of using Bluetooth. To support productivity, Xiaomi offers 2 additional accessories: the keyboard case and the Xiaomi Focus Pen. The keyboard case not only serves as a protective cover, but also provides a comfortable typing experience similar to a laptop, although the screen position cannot be freely adjusted. Furthermore, the Xiaomi Focus Pen offers sensitivity up to 8192 pressure levels and low latency, making it ideal for note-taking, drawing, or presentations. This stylus can also be wirelessly charged directly from the tablet's side, so users don't have to worry about running out of power during use. One of the main attractions of the Xiaomi Pad 7 is its eye-pleasing screen. This tablet uses an 11.2-inch IPS LCD panel with a sharp and clear 3.2K resolution. The 144Hz refresh rate makes every movement on the screen feel smooth, whether you're scrolling through social media, opening apps, or playing games. With a brightness level of up to 800 nits and support for HDR10 and Dolby Vision, watching movies on platforms such as Netflix or Disney Plus feels more vivid and immersive. The colors produced are rich and accurate thanks to the wide DCI P3 color gamut, making it one of the best screens in its class. Interestingly, Xiaomi has changed the screen ratio to 3:2 from the previous 16:10 on the Pad 6 series. This change makes the display feel more proportional for productive activities, such as typing, opening 2 apps simultaneously, or reading ebooks in a vertical position. For tablet users, the front camera is usually used more often for activities such as online meetings or online lectures. Xiaomi understands this need and has placed an 8-megapixel ultra-wide front camera on the long side of the screen so that the face looks more natural when the tablet is used in landscape mode. The focus frame feature, similar to Center Stage on the iPad, is also available to automatically track facial movements during video calls. The image quality is quite sharp with natural colors, while the dual microphones are able to capture sound clearly without interference. For the rear camera, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is equipped with a reliable 13-megapixel sensor with an f/2.2 aperture for light needs. The photos are good enough to taking pictures of documents or quick shots when needed. Although not as good as a smartphone camera, the night mode feature helps produce brighter photos when used in low light conditions. The Xiaomi Pad 7 is now much more powerful thanks to the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, combined with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The tablet's performance feels fast for multitasking, editing documents, and even creating videos. Games like Mobile Legends and Genshin Impact run smoothly with stable frame rates, especially with the 144Hz refresh rate that makes every movement look seamless. This tablet runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, which is specifically designed for large screens. The Workstation Mode feature allows for a desktop-like display with multiple active applications at once. There are also conference tools for online meeting needs, as well as additional features such as dual apps, custom themes, and HyperConnect, which facilitates integration with Xiaomi smartphones. This tablet is equipped with a large 8850 mAh battery that can support a full day of activity. For light use, such as browsing, watching videos, or typing documents, the battery life can last up to 2 to 3 days. This capacity is impressive considering its slim and lightweight body, making this tablet comfortable to use for work or entertainment without worrying about running out of power quickly. Its charging speed is also a significant advantage. With 45-watt fast charging support, charging from 20% to full takes only about 1.5 hours. Xiaomi also includes a charger adapter in the official sales package in Indonesia, so users can charge immediately without needing to purchase an additional charger. The Xiaomi Pad 7 comes in 2 variants that can be tailored to your needs and budget. For users who want high performance and ample storage space, the Pro version is an attractive choice. Meanwhile, the standard version still offers a premium experience at a more affordable price. Here are the price options. Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro 12 GB of RAM for 512 GB of storage is priced at $449 US. Xiaomi Pad 7 8 GB of RAM for 256 GB of storage is priced at $330 US.